actually. We're supposed to leave tomorrow, Wednesday, at like early in the morning. But my uncle was like, yo, I bought this hotel room, but I'm not staying in it. So on our adventure we go. We're almost finished packing. See y'all the next time I record. So last we left you, we were in the car coming to the hotel. So quick update, because I didn't explain earlier. My mom, aunt, and cousins are going to Disneyland, and while they're at Disneyland, we're at VidCon. So we were gonna come down today and just go straight to VidCon, but my uncle booked a hotel and then left. So we have this hotel room, which is actually pretty dope of a hotel room. We'll give you the whole tour with all of our stuff everywhere. We've got a bedroom with 2 beds over here. Like, guys, you will not believe this long ass fucking hallway. Like 12 feet. That's the front door of the hotel room. It's like 12 feet that way for no reason. But yeah, this is the hotel room. Leah, we're at VidCon. You guys can try. Is this what you need? Show me your badge. Show me your badge. Yeah. 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 We are now outside because we just got through registration stuff, and we got a cool backpacks and cool pins. Yeah, look at these cool pins and things. Yeah, so this is the day 1 vlog. Oh, okay, people. So VidCon did this great thing to us where we didn't realize that Thursday there's nothing to do except registration.
Today's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Hey, today's Wednesday.
Sorry. Wednesday, there's nothing to do except registration. So we just got our stuff and now we're just leaving to do who knows what for the rest of the day. Yes, we registered. We got in, we got our wristband, we tap on things. So yeah, we gotta go do nothing because our Airbnb doesn't open till 4. So we got nothing to do. Hello everybody, we are now in downtown Disney. We're looking through the Star Wars stuff because we're cool like that. And we didn't have anything else to do, so now we're chilling because, yes. Dude, they got the big red ball. We're at Target, and I swear I want every single pair of sunglasses, but I have sunglasses, so I don't need them, but I want every single one of them. Okay, we should find my dad. Let's go. I don't know where he went. We left him. We're supposed to be getting food. Dad acquired. What we looking for? Guys, we're gonna put this stuff in the Airbnb and then go to Ikea.
We're gonna tour later.
Because Ikea, and why not? And fucking Among Us on the wall.
Holding me back, gravity's holding me back. I want you to hold out the palm of your hand. Why don't we leave it at that? Nothing to say when everything gets in the way. Seems you cannot be replaced.
We've arrived at Ikea, guys. Damn, Ikea is like actually huge. Like I knew it was gonna be huge, but it's like actually huge. Bye, bud. How you thinking this Ikea experience? Ikea. Doors are opening. We're in this new podcast room, right? Look at it. It's pretty dope.
Would you like to see the backyard?
Yes. You can come see the backyard. Come with us, guys. Lovely backyard.
Where we sit?
What has been going on with you besides the obvious fake podcast we got going on? Look at my new streaming setup, guys. Look at this. epic streaming setup.
A few minutes later.
So I used to make fun of people for being like, oh, you get lost in Ikea. I didn't think it was real, but I don't know where the fuck we are. I'm in tables. I don't know where we are at all. We're being in Ikea for literally just over an hour. We have found the exit. We are very tired of walking because now we're gonna go to the Airbnb and hang out at the pool because my feet fucking hurt. We made it home and to the pool. I'm gonna put my phone down. You guys don't get to see us play. Sorry. But yes, we made it home. The next time I will record will be tomorrow for VidCon. Okay. Day 2 VidCon, boys. I didn't record in the car or when we got up because I was way too tired. I still am too tired. You can see it in like the underbags of my eyes. But day 2, here we go.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around.
Bro is double cheeked. Toaster. And where's James? James, look at the huge ass bag. James. So we're at VidCon, day 3, people, but there is a huge line everywhere. So we're waiting in line forever to get into VidCon. So. Last day at VidCon. Last day, people. Day, what, 4? 4. Day 4. We got meet and greets and stuff today. Okay, I want to add this just in case. If anyone sees Nikki Niachu wearing these glasses, I made them and I gave them to her. Because I am cool like that. Yes.
Tell me why you gotta look at me that way. You know what it does to me. Lately all I want is you on top of me. You know where your hands should be. So baby, won't you come show me? I got you dreaming. You close your eyes, I am screaming. Play with your mind for no reason. I know you love how I tease it.
And that, my friends, is a wrap on the 2023 VidCon Anaheim convention.
Not done fighting. I don't feel I lose.
Okay, look at this sink, right? Wait, you try again. Yeah, let's see if it works. What the fuck? It's me. Why is it me?